morning. I just decided to do this really quick video. It's supposed to be a whole video. I hope I upload this one because I think this one is going to be more real. Anyways, I went to the Ordinary store a couple of days ago and I decided to shop from TheOrdinary, and I got a bunch of stuff and I really wanted to share with you guys because I'm already going to start using them. I already researched on everything I bought, so I wanted to show you guys exactly what I got. So I got 6 items and they weren't, I think I probably spent like $70 on my entire purchase, and I want to show you guys my thoughts and what it's supposed to do. Yeah, so if you want to know what's up with this, keep watching. If you can already still tell, I'm still in Toronto, so ignore the background and ignore my face. I'm just gonna go take a shower, but I really wanted to do like a really natural looking video. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is salicylic acid, which is like, it looks like this. It's supposed to be a mask and it's supposed to be used twice a week. And what it does is they usually write like what it does, but if you know salicylic acid, it's supposed to be like drying pimples and acne, so that's what this is for. It's formulated for blemish prone skin, so if you really have acne a lot, you can try this. It's a mask and you're supposed to use it once to twice a week on clean skin. It has all the instructions on it, but I think this would be very good for people that have like pimples, acne, and all that good stuff. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the hyaluronic acid. I always have a problem pronouncing this thing. Always. Anyways, I wanted to get this for the first time, for the longest time, and it's actually my first time getting it. Every time I try to buy it on Facebook Marketplace in Edmonton, someone always messes up or something. But I got the big size. This comes in a 30 ml and a 60 ml. I got the 60 ml, and it's supposed to support hydration on your skin. So even like you can use it beneath your makeup and your skin is going to stay hydrated. And I really have been looking forward to this. I'm going to show you what this looks like. I'm standing and recording this video, so this looks like this. It looks, I really love TheOrdinary. I love their packaging. It's usually so effortless and really simple. It just looks like a really nice bottle from the lab. So that's that. I'm really excited about this one because I wanted hyaluronic acid for the longest time. I'm not even kidding, guys. Like every time I try to buy them on Marketplace, the sellers always just annoy me. They always say, oh, but I don't want to sell it anymore. Next thing I'm going to show you guys is lactic acid 10% HA. This is supposed to target uneven tone, which you can see, and textural irregularities and fine lines. So if you have problems with all that, this is what it looks like. It's lactic acid, and you're supposed to use this once a day, ideally in the evening. Someone asked me like, why do you like spend a lot on TheOrdinary? Like, why TheOrdinary? I use makeup every single day to work, so I figure like after I get home every day, I should be able to, you know, do my skincare routine and have fun with it. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is the Ordinary ascorbic acid and alpha arbutin. I have talked about this before on my channel. If you have looked at my Ordinary video from before, I actually had this in that video, but the bottle I had finished. This is supposed to target hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven tone, and signs of aging. I used this like all through last year, just before summer, and I think during summer, and it really got rid of like all the sunburns and like the dark spots on my face. But this summer was even harder on my skin because I didn't have this. So I got another bottle of this and I'm so excited to keep using it. Yeah, this is an OG for me. I should have bought 2 bottles. The next thing I'm going to talk about is ethylated ascorbic acid. So for me, because anything that has vitamin C, I know is going to brighten your skin. And since I have all this darkness around my skin, I'm really intent on like making it lighter. And so this is the ethylated ascorbic acid 15% solution. and it is supposed to target uneven skin tone, which I said, and signs of aging, and it's gonna look just like the other ascorbic acid, because I think for vitamin C product it's supposed to be in like dark bottles, which is exactly what it is. Anyways, I have one more thing to show you guys, and that is the retinol in squalene, in 1% squalene. So if you know retinol really well, it's not in Canada here, retinol is not an over-the-counter thing, so you have to be really regulated to sell anything that has retinol in it. And so like it's always hard to find retinol products. So retinol is supposed to help with signs of aging and textural irregularities. That's your fine lines and everything. So if you don't want to age quicker, like around your eyes and everything, you can use retinol. So because it's not like one of those ingredients that it's really common in a lot of skincare now, it's usually so hard to find it in a pure form. And so this is just 1% retinol, which I really don't mind. This is the highest that the Ordinary has, and it looks just like this. And this one you're supposed to put in the fridge when you open. So the moment I open it, I have to put it in the fridge, which is good. And you're supposed to use this in the evenings. Another really good reason why I like the Ordinary product is that they always state when you should use it. Like this one says apply a small amount to the face in the PM. So this is a nighttime skincare product. This says apply a few drops to the face in the morning and even in the AM and PM. So you know you can use this both times, but I noticed that a lot of products that you can use in the morning, you have to follow with SPF. And because SPF really expires on your face, like even if you use SPF after like 30 minutes to an hour, you have to reapply. So I just figured I don't have that luxury to keep applying SPF every time. So guys, that's all the items I have from The Ordinary. The six items. Wow. Okay, I'm tempted to go buy more. Anyways guys, that's all I have from The Ordinary. I really love the store. I went to their main store, one of the main stores in Toronto here, and I really like it. Was super simple, like very simple, like it was ordinary. So yeah, I really liked shopping at the store. And yeah, if you've tried any of The Ordinary products, I know I tried to recommend it a lot to people because their ingredients are always in the purest forms. They don't have fragrances or anything, so you're not spending a lot of money on them, and they're really inexpensive. This cost me maybe like $70 because one item was like $20. The other items are like $6, $10, and $12. So it's inexpensive, and it's really good skincare if you are looking for something affordable, and if you're looking for something you can, you know, always buy every time. I would recommend Ordinary to you guys. So guys, that's my short video on my Ordinary haul. I really wanted to do this in my natural state because I have all these thoughts about this product and I don't want to wait till I get home to record this video. Anyways guys, if you have any thoughts, if you have any ideas on skincare that you think I would like, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.